Welcome to Anjali's Bake Affair. Today we are making a luscious and easy chocolate ganache. It's very easy and you can use this to frill and frost your cakes and your desserts. So let's start right away. A basic chocolate ganache needs just two ingredients: chopped chocolate and boiling hot cream. Here we're making a dark chocolate ganache, so I'll be using chopped dark chocolate with cream. Now this is the basic version of a ganache, but you can add butter to it if you want to give a nice gloss and shine to your ganache. You can also add any flavor of your choice to this ganache. Say vanilla, orange goes very well with this one, mint goes well, or any other that you like. So this is the variation part. Now let's begin making the basic form of this ganache. Just boil the cream, pour the boiling hot cream over the chopped chocolate, give it a stir and cover it up and leave it for about 10 minutes. So it's been now 10 minutes and I'm going to check on this. You can see how well the chocolate is melted. I just need to whisk it nice and well. So here's a little tip. The more you whisk or whip this ganache, the more fluffier, shinier and tastier it's gonna get. And you can even use an electric whisk for this. Now once it's ready, there are a couple of ways you can use it. You can use it immediately to just pour over your cake, let it fall all over the side. You may use a spatula if you want to. Otherwise it's anyway going to spread all over itself. You can have some more sprinkles and decorations, and of course children want it. So I've got a few rainbow sprinkles that I'm going to sprinkle all over this. Or you can leave this ganache to rest for some time. Once it is set, you can use it to very easily fill your cakes and sandwich them and frost them in any which way you'd like. So go ahead, make this ganache and let me know in the comment section what you want me to make for you next. Till then, bye-bye.